Welcome to Playtime Kids Time channel. It's me, Callie, and today we're going to do a Halloween special. We did a voting on our community, a community post where I asked people which one will I do next. And the most vote is the Halloween plaster figurine. So let's do the Halloween plaster figurine. Let's do it. This is a DIY or do-it-yourself painting. So this is what includes the package. We do have two packages. One is the pumpkin and second is the ghost. We do have, what's this? Owl and two ghosts. Frightened ghost and jolly ghost with a hat side. And this is what we got. We do have, they provided, nice, it's amazing that they provided a bond paper where we can use as a mat, so our table will be clean and will not gonna be messy. And then we do have this 3 plaster figurine Halloween, and beautiful, right? And we do have 6 different colors. We do have orange, pink, green, blue, yellow, and red. And they provided a brush, of course. So this is a DIY. They should provide everything so we can start our creative activity. Look at this. I hope next time they provide. This is the a plastic cover, but this is not gonna fit inside. Let's see. It did, but it should at least have a bigger hard cover, so it will protect the brush and not gonna bend, at least until here, so it is secure. Okay, so this is what we do have. And this one, let's open. Okay, this is what the second package. Okay, we do have pumpkins. We do have a bat and 2 pumpkins, and this color mixing or color reference diagram. We can do a different combination when we will have a different colors aside from this, aside from what we got or what we have, when we combine 2 or 3 of these colors. So if we combine yellow and red, we'll get orange. But we do have orange here, so we don't have purple, so we can combine red and blue to get purple. Okay, and because we don't have brown, we can do red instead, red and green, and then we will have brown, and we don't have a black, so yeah, we don't have black. That's why I got this. I got another set. Why is it opened? Technically this isn't opened. So this brush is better than what is included here. See? So I'm gonna use this, and this is the color that I got separately, and look at the difference. And I do have black color and white here, but the other 4 colors are the same. And this, we don't have pink and orange, so it's okay. That's why I got extra. But like I always say, do use whatever the DIY play activity package you have. Like if you wanted to use the brush that is included, use it. I'm not encouraging you to buy extra set of colors and brush. Do whatever makes you happy and be creative. Ang tagal mo. Yes, be creative and have fun doing our DIY plaster figurines. And this is our Halloween special. Yay! Okay, let's do it. Now let's do the pumpkin. This one. Let's set this aside. Do be careful because this is fragile. Make sure that you're not gonna drop this plaster figurine because it will gonna break, okay, into pieces and you're not gonna like it. Oh wow, I like the color because it's really vibrant and it is not chunky. Definitely it will be easy for me or for us to paint this on our plaster figurine. So let's do it. This is a Halloween special. So let's do it. And of course, let's wash our brush. Okay, we're done washing our brush. Reminder, always wash your brush every time you use it. And take note that every time you are done doing your DIY creative activity, always clean your table. Okay? And then, next, since it's Halloween, and we don't have black here, we can use what we got. Just check about this. Look at this. This is something that I don't like about the black paint. I'm trying to paint this and still it's not. Look at this. It's not painting the plaster figurine or the figurine. But we just have to be patient and we can finally coat this. It's hard to coat this paint. That's why it's kind of watery. Consistency. Look at this. It's kind of hard to coat this part, this paint. Not everything though, this black paint. See? Look. Focus again. But still beautiful. You just have to be patient and always have fun doing this activity. This is a fun and great activity with your friends, your cousins, and your sibling. And of course, if you are a mom or a dad, it is a great creative play activity with your children. Look, I really look like a pumpkin, Halloween pumpkin. Let's do this. So it's really scary. And let's add black, oh no, red paint. And let's use the brush that they provided, okay? And you see that the paint is already dry. Not 100%, but it's dry, 99% or 98. Still I have transfer, color transfer on my hands. It's okay. So there you have it. We now have a Halloween pumpkin. Look at this. This is supposed to be like this. Scary, right? Before it is plain orange, you know. It is a scary pumpkin. And then let's set this aside and make more Halloween figures or figurine. Let's do the scary bat. Okay, let's use this black. And there you have it. We do have a Halloween bat. Okay, it's still wet. Now let's set this aside. Push it over here, here. Okay, we do have a pumpkin and bat. And then let's make a ghost white, right? But we can make it other than white. Let's make it yellow, shall we? Okay. And then we're done. And let's get this and wash our paintbrush, okay? Except this. I'm going to use this. Okay, we're done and we cleaned our brush. And let's set this aside. We do have 3 beautiful Halloween plaster figurine ref magnets or souvenir special gift this Halloween special. So special, I mean Halloween season. This Halloween season. So this is our pumpkin, our bat, and ghost. Review time. The paint is good except this. This is kind of liquidy. And the brush still is not that appealing to me. But that's my opinion. and it's really not, it's like super lightweight, it's lightweight, and the bristle, look at this. You judge, okay? But still, you can use this. I did use this for the ghost. I painted the ghost using this brush that they provided. I also clean it up where they clean this, and I use my brush. You can always get your own brush or use what the package includes, or what brush or whatever is included in the box or the package. Okay, I hope you like our Halloween special. Thank you for watching. It's me, Callie, and see you on my next. Bye.